All right, I originally wasn't going to make a video on this, but because a lot of people done videos on doing shocks on the 2010 and 2015 Nissan Altima. But I wanted to show you, if you look right here, that rubber bushing is broken right there. They got broken bushing. So I'm gonna put the shock on here, and we're gonna just see. We're gonna drive it and see what happened. But this car is most likely, well, it's not most likely. It's going to need a rear suspension rebuild. You know, I'm looking at some of the rubber bushings. They look like they're in bad shape. Here's the control arm bushing right here. It's in bad shape. And then let's see, can I get the phone down to show some other. Look right here. Get in there. See that? This is that bushing's in bad shape. So it's basically the car is going to need a suspension rebuild. You know. Anyway, let me see. I guess I'll go. Got it all. I'm gonna go ahead and make a little video or just doing the shocks. Is that a square? Let me go. Let's pause it right here. All right, I just showed one side being removed. There's a lot of videos doing this, but the main thing I wanted to show was the wore out suspension bushings. And so we're just gonna put these new shocks on and see how it handle. But we're looking at rear suspension work here. We got a jacket up there. All right, put another. Can I get some tension off of there? Get the motor out a little bit. Trying to get a little punch. Okay, there we go. Okay, now I'm gonna get a upper bolt. like I said on this video, I just really wanted to show the get a better picture of the bushing now since the shock's out. Yeah, see that shock's that's in real bad shape there. Focus the light on it. So yeah, that bushing's gone. So I don't know if it's a bushing kit. You just gotta replace the whole thing. So that's the main thing I kind of wanted to show. I'm not going to show put the shock back on. So there you go.